I chose the scenario number 1. First, when the body of the former science teacher was found by Mr. Woodward, he entered the crime scene and touched the body, leaving his fingerprints on it. Subsequently, a second person, the janitor, entered the crime scene and cleaned the blood around the body, compromising important evidence and leaving DNA on it, despite the use of gloves. Finally, a third person, Mr. Glynn, entered the crime scene and left shoe marks and DNA by walking around the body. It is only after that the police have finally been called. Calling the police should have been Mr. Woodward's first action. On the contrary, the reflex that Mr. Woodward had to check whether the former science teacher was still alive was a good initiative, but he should have protected himself properly. The janitor, before cleaning the blood around the body, put on gloves to avoid leaving traces and getting dirty, which is a good idea also. Moreover, when Mr. Glynn entered the crime scene, he was careful not to step on the corpse, which is also a good initiative. However, the most correct elements in the procedure have been done by the officer. The area has been secured and the barrier has been placed at the entrance to the crime scene. From this crime scene, biological evidence should be collected, such as the blood, latent print evidence, shoe marks, trace evidence, such as the microscope, the beaker, and the small amount of dirt or the disguise the former teacher was wearing, possibly the presence of drug evidence or firearm evidence should be verified. Goodbye.